Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix unable to install any app. This app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified. So guys, when you want to download any app on your iPhone and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to go back, and guys after going to back you need to open your settings on your iPhone or iPad. And guys after this, first of all you need to click on Wi-Fi and make sure that you have proper connected with strong internet connection. And guys after doing this you need to go back. And guys, second method is you need to scroll it down. Here is the option of general. Simply you need to click on it, and guys after this you need to scroll it down, click on VPN and device management, and make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected with your phone. So guys, if connected, then you need to disconnect it, and after doing this you need to go back. And guys after doing this, here is the option of date and time, and make sure that date and time is set automatically. And after doing this, if still not fix your problem, you need to scroll it down, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset and click on reset network settings. And guys after doing this you need to go back, and the here is the option of software update. So guys, simply you need to click on it, and guys you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to open your settings, then open your Apple ID, and guys after this you need to sign out your Apple ID from here. And guys after this you need to sign in again on your iPhone. So guys, after doing all the methods your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.